This 2025 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.6 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 24 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, external shower, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, awning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.6 is 4,919 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.